I am Pragya and I bring to you excerpts from the current issue of Outlook, titled India That is Bharat. It looks at the ongoing state elections as a critical test of unity between the Congress and its allies in the India coalition and whether the opposition combined can take on the might of the BJP in the elections 2024. Is the coalition ready? By Rakhi Bose from Outlook. While it is premature to predict the India Alliance's success in shaping the political narrative of the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, experts believe the opposition has finally been able to set the tone, a first since 2014. The 2024 general elections seems to be shaping up as a battle between one India in one corner and many Indias of all sizes and sensibilities in the other. Months after the grand coming together of the opposition's India Alliance, consisting of 26 political parties, the collective has upped the pressure on the ruling BJP, attacking it on multiple issues, be it the Israel-Palestine war, NCERT's recommendation to change India's nomenclature to Bharat in school textbooks, or unleashing the Enforcement Directorate against opposition leaders. On October 28th, Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra criticized India's abstention from a UN resolution on Gaza. She also invoked Mahatma Gandhi, urging the central government to take a stand on the humanitarian crisis in Palestine. Recently, Rahul Gandhi's social media blitz featured an interview with Satyapal Malik, a BJP-appointed governor of the former state of Jammu and Kashmir, who oversaw the controversial bifurcation of the state. The viral interview with Malik, who has since been critical of top BJP leadership, broached contentious issues like the Pulwama attack and government's alleged largesse to the Adani Group. Gandhi's social media feed is also peppered with videos showing the former party vice president chiseling tablets for students, addressing concerns of carpenters, taking selfies with porters, and welcoming puppies into his home. He also biked to Ladakh to engage with the locals in remote areas. Gandhi's YouTube channel had cooking lessons too, from Rashtriya Janata Dal leader Lalu Prasad Yadav. Former Bihar CM, who once famously wanted to throw the Congress into the Bay of Bengal, was seen teaching Gandhi how to cook Champaran mutton for a national audience. Other parties in the India bloc have also recognized the power of social media optics. The shift in the social media imprint of the opposition parties in the run-up to 2024, as well as the 5 key state elections, has not been lost on political commentators. I think the opposition strategy is quite interesting. They are adopting out-of-the-box techniques. Beating the BJP's national-led Democratic Alliance is not an easy feat, and the Congress seems to have finally realized the importance of the digital space, says senior journalist and political commentator Rashid Kidwai. The party's social media strategy on social media platforms like X, Facebook, and Instagram uses humor, posters, memes, reels, and infographics to articulate its position against rising majoritarian and sectarian politics. In October, a poster war erupted between the ruling BJP and Congress on social media. The BJP pitched a morphed image of Rahul Gandhi with 10 heads and a warning, Bharat khatre mein hai, India is in danger, in response to a Congress barb portraying Prime Minister Narendra Modi as Jumla Boy, inspired by Zoya Akhtar's film Gully Boy. The poster war is the latest in a spate of social media attacks by the Congress and opposition parties on the Modi government. For this and more, read the current issue of Outlook.